Hey there, I'm a DIY track guy. This is my humble garage, and today we open a lovely care package. This wonderful box of goodies comes courtesy of Luke from Formotiv Design in the UK. They make custom 3D printed bespoke parts for Miatas as well as other vehicles, and he was kind enough to send me a selection of their unique products. Thank you very much, Luke. Appreciate your support of the channel, and let's take a look. And these are the products, and straight away you'll notice these 4 vents that look like rims. In fact, these are modeled after the very rims that are on my Miata TRMotorsport C3Ms, and these are painted in bright silver. They have a variety of popular rims, or they can customize them to your specification, and they can paint them in any color, including matching Mazda paint codes. And they can be printed in plastic or even aluminum. Here's a plastic vent for an NC Miata that's laser scanned and modeled after a work emotion Kiwami, hand painted and lacquered in GT silver. Check out these fine details of the raised text on the inner rim lip. And here's an aluminum 3D laser printed and polished vent that's unmistakably an Enkei RPF-1, a super popular rim in the Miata community known for its lightweight rotary forged construction, and it's often used for autocross and road racing. They say that these are designed to be perfectly sized to fit the eyeball vents in NA, NB, and NC Miatas. So let's get them installed. To install the new air vents, we obviously need to remove the old ones, and to do that, we're going to use this hooked scribe tool. Now to get this in there, we need to remove the upper retaining ring, which is held into the bucket by 4 push clips. It's a little cool in the shop today, so I'm going to heat up this plastic with a heat gun to hopefully make this plastic a little bit less brittle. Here's the vent bucket, and notice that there's some fabric tape on the inside. These get worn out over time, and that's the reason why these eyeballs get all droopy and cross-eyed. So this just drops in like this, and we can kind of test fit it to see how tight it is with the existing fabric tape. Seems pretty good. But if it doesn't fit tightly enough, also included in the package is this roll of replacement tape. This isn't fabric though, it's got more of a textured surface to it, which should be more durable. And now that that's in, we just need to snap the vent ring back on. And here it is. All right, and let's just do the same thing to this one. Now this one feels a little bit loose. I'd like to add some of that tape. 33 years and this is still sticky. I'm actually going to reuse this fabric tape right on top of the new stuff. Alright, that's nice and tight. Let's put the ring back on. And now we just pop these back in. My low-grade OCD is compelling me to line these spokes up vertically. And here it is installed. What do you think? Please drop a comment with your opinion on these rim-inspired air vents. And for this one, let's try something different. And here's the Enkei RPF-1 aluminum vent. Let's see how this one fits. It's a little bit tighter. The question of whether these vents match your personal aesthetic is of course up to you, but what's not in question is the quality of these products. They're so smooth, I would have assumed they were injection molded and not 3D printed. The material feels thick and substantial, and the quality of the paintwork, especially in the complex shapes and the recesses of the rim fascia, are as close to perfect as my untrained eye can tell. And that solid 3D laser printed Enkei RPF-1 rim vent, it's absolutely stunning. Now you probably noticed that unlike the stock OEM vents, these don't have that rear center post that prevents you from spinning it around backwards. Formotiv used to include these, but for some rim designs and with enough force, it could cause the fascia to fail. Also note that unlike the stock vents, these don't have those inner rings to direct the airflow. So just consider these points in your buying decision. Those things aside, big thanks to Luke for sending these to me complimentary for an honest review and to support the channel. I think the craftsmanship of these products speak for themselves. So if rim-inspired air vents match your aesthetic, then be sure to check out formotiv.co.uk, and Luke has graciously offered a discount code for Mostly Useless Garage subscribers. Info in the description below. You're awesome, I'm useless, thanks for watching.